Alright, so I finally finished with my double V-groove pulley. Now I'm just running it with one belt because I still have to order another one of these belts. Well, I actually ordered it, but it's just taking forever to come in. And the type of belts I use are the oil resistant type. So it works for the time being, and I'm real happy. I got my compressor back going again. But I did have to tap two holes to the collar, so it's actually threaded from, well, the bolts run from the aluminum to the collar, and the collar is pressed in, but due to vibration or whatever that comes from the engine or the pump or the pulley, the belt, I added those two bolts to it. So it comes from the aluminum to the collar, and everything's just held in place. And I did have to drill a hole on the pulley so I can tighten down the set screw, but it holds pretty good now. I'm happy it's going again. Until I get my new belt in, then I'll be running dual belts on this. But for the time being, I'm just glad that it runs and works good. I was gonna polish it, but it's just a pulley. It's bound to get nicks and scratches and dirty anyway, so it's not like it's gonna be for show or anything. That's it. Turns much faster than the 1.5 inch Martin pulley that I had on. I'm gonna start it real quick and show you guys that it does work. Came out quite nice, and I think I'm going to be doing some plasma cutting now, but I'm real happy though. That's my first pulley project on the lathe. That's one of my lathe projects, and until next time, thanks for watching.